Little Rockets Kid TV.
Know your ABC. Hello children. Today we will learn to recognize letter J. So sound of letter J is J. J, J, J. J for Joker. J, J, Jaguar. J, J, Jupiter. Now children, can you see the capital letter J here? Let's stick it together. Come, let's find out. Yes, that's right. Good job. One more time. Can you find capital J and tick it with me? Correct. Very nice. One last time. Can you find capital J and tick it now? Let's do it. Yes, that's right. Good job. Now children, are you able to find small j here? Come, let's stick it together. Can you see it? Yes, that's right. Good job. One more time. Can you find small j and tick it with me? Yes, that's right. Well done. Now last time. Let's find out small j and tick it together. Yes, that's right. Well done. Now children, can you spot the letter small j here in this box? Come, let's find out and tick it together. Let's begin. Yes, that's right. First J. There are two more. I can see. Can you find it? Correct. Very good. One more is there I can see. Can you find it? Come, let's stick it together. Right. Well done. Now children, in this box, capital J we have to find and tick it together. Let's begin. Yes, that's right. One J. Two more are there. Can you find the second one? Right. Well done. One more is there. Yes. Great job. Very well done. Now kids, we will tick the picture which starts with letter J. Come, let's find out and tick it together. Yes, that's right. Very well done. J for Jaguar. Can you find J in second picture? Let's stick it together. Yes, correct. J for Jackal. Last one, can you find J in third picture? Let's stick it together. Very well done. J for jackfruit. Now children, we will spell the word that starts with letter J. Jam. Jellyfish. Jelly. Joker. Jackal. Juice. Jaguar. Jigsaw. Jeep. Jet. Jungle. Jacket. Jump. Jar. Jackfruit. Very well done kids. Good job. See you in the next video.
Like, share, subscribe and press the bell